All right, the time is finally here. I'm so excited. Right now, today, we are on our way to go pick up my NIO EC6. So just come along for the journey with me. I'm going to show you everything about the delivery process for NIO here in Shenzhen. So let's go. Just arrived at the delivery spot, and I'm gonna go see if I can find my car. Which one's mine? Not that one, not that one, not that one. I think it's that one right there. Maybe. Maybe. It should be this one right here. Oh, that looks nice. 应该是这个吧。Wow. It's like the December to Remember event for Lexus, right? Oh, nice car.
过档，对，档位的话就正常的行车后退跟滑轨3个，然后下车就锁车就可以了。对，它就没有启动的那个步骤。然后呢，方向盘这边的话，雨刮跟这个灯光都是跟传统车是一样的，都是自动的 automatic 灯光。然后主要是你选了这个 New Pilot 嘛，这个就是对，这个就作为一个这个开关，然后左边的副字，然后542这个的话就是我们这个车还能跑多远？对，剩余还能跑。
All right, so the NIO guy just introduced all the features of the car to me. I didn't film everything. It took like 40 minutes, so sorry about that. But he went through all the features of the car, and we're pretty much good to go now. So I don't know what else I want to say. I'm really excited. So let's just take one more look around this place. Seems like a lot of happy people getting their cars. That little girl just said it's a foreign dog. Not me, but the actual dog. What you think, Easy? Excited? A lot of NIOs, and we're about done. About ready to hit the road. All right, so we just picked up the NIO. I'm excited. I'm happy. Seems pretty fun. Anyway, so the experience for picking up the NIO, I couldn't really film it all because it took a while, but I filmed some clips for you. Basically, the process was you go in there and they teach you about the car, and that's about it. Really, they teach you about the car and they make sure you get all your paperwork sorted out, your license plate, your temporary license, and prepare you for your permanent license. Make sure you have insurance. Make sure you have insurance, all that stuff, and then you get your car. So we started at 10, now it's 12. So it took about 2 hours. Experience was very pleasant. They gave us coffee, gave us snacks, gave us water, and that's about all that happened. And I guess one other thing, the guy told me that every day in Shenzhen, they have about 18 cars get picked up by users in Shenzhen. So there's only one delivery place in Shenzhen, and it's here that we just went to. So 18 a day. So there's your numbers. And he said EC6 and ES6 right now are better sellers than ES8. So if you want that kind of information, there you go, straight from Shenzhen. So, all right, we're going to Bao'an Dadao. All right, bye-bye guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe because I'm gonna take you all around China in this car and tell you the ins and outs, the truths, the lies, no lies, just the truth about owning this car. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So thanks a lot and peace out guys. Thank you. While I don't have a license plate, I only have a temporary license plate, I can only drive in Guangdong and 2 other provinces. But I really want to make a road trip. So probably I'm going to go to the 2 nearby provinces while I wait for my actual license plate. And then come back and get that, and then I can go all around China. So stay tuned for a road trip around China, and also a lot more information about why I chose a NIO. And kind of my experience so far dealing with NIO customer service and buying the car and everything like that. So stick around, and there's a lot more coming. So thanks again, and I appreciate everybody's support. So I really mean it. Thank you so much.